Hello and welcome to Geeker Shaves. The other day I did a little video. I got a little bit emotional in it. I was telling you how you can make a face visor from homemade materials, which will be very helpful possibly for your health service in your country. Helpful for you because if someone sneezes on you and you get a face full of infection, you'll get a very high inoculation. And even if you've got this, you might get some seeping up the underside, but you'd end up with a lower inoculation of the virus, and therefore you're more likely to have a better outcome because you start at a lower base point of infection, i.e. you get 2 or 3 virus cells instead of like 20 virus cells, or scale that up by whatever factor's actually true. So I've been doing some work on this, and I have managed to work some improvements. So apart from replacing the elastic band, I've managed to get elastic cord. However, elastic band still works perfectly well if you get long enough elastic bands. Had a look at some other ones and decided that actually what's best is to get the laminated sheet, although this is an A4 in landscape. Get a laminated sheet and cut in portrait so you get a bend there. This will then keep it held off your nose, and also because it's all plastic, it's very easy to clean, very easy to sterilise, and again it's going to cost pennies. Well, what, maybe 10p, 20p maybe for the entire face shield to make, and it consists of one full laminating sheet A4, part of a laminating sheet A4, a rubber band basically, and 2 staples with the hole punches. So very, very cheap to make. Put it on, you have the side clearance. Yeah, so I've actually at work made a couple of these for customers because they saw my video and actually asked for it. So I made a few for them and sent them out free of charge. So that's the face video. Also, masks are in short supply. I have made this one. You can make masks, they're good. Whether you're infected or not, everyone should wear a mask because you don't know who's asymptomatic. That means you show no signs. Also, there's been some studies which are saying that people who have recovered are still shedding virus, at which point they think they're fine, but they may be infectious to other people. So everyone should wear a mask. Piece of cloth. Okay, I have done some hand stitching. I'm terrible at hand stitching, as you can see. But if you're wearing this and you sneeze or you cough, you're not going to project your stuff to 7 or 8 meters. Yeah, and it's not going to go everywhere for everyone else. So everyone should wear a mask. Not so much just for you. You're doing it for a lot to protect everyone else. Also, if you're wearing it, some of it will go on the outside, and again, you'll get a lower inoculation. I know this is homemade. If you notice, there's videos going around about the Czech Republic doing these things. To be honest, I actually quite like this one. I think this one's quite nice. Reminds me of Mortal Kombat, that old video game. Yeah, so makes me think that I'm Sub-Zero. So anyway, that's my update. Primarily face shield, very easy. Everyone should wear them. Everyone should wear a mask. It will stop people from spreading the disease if they've got it and they're asymptomatic and they don't know. The research that keeps coming out keeps showing that there's more people that are asymptomatic, but they are spreading it. So there we go. Face mask, face visor, ready to go down the shop. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please thumbs up, please subscribe, please get this message out there. We need to beat this virus. Okay, so normally I would say like shaving, but on this case, like being safe. And if you don't have to go out, don't go out, stay at home.